Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 28th April 2022, Thursday. Today the monthly futures and options expiry took place and the Nifty went all the way to 17,300 before giving up some small gains and ending at 17,245 I think, but still with a very handsome gain. That's the story for today. Now interestingly, this rally has brought us to the verge of touching 17,300. We actually did touch it today, but on the verge of breaking. That's a resistance level. I would think that if 17,300 is broken decisively, then the market is giving a message that it wants to go higher. That is why there are buyers who are willing to pay the price to overcome the resistance. So we have a trading range 16,900 on the lower end, 17,300 on the upper end. Any one of these ranges, lines or zones when broken give us a message that buyers or sellers want to go in that direction. Sellers of course on the downside and buyers above 17,300. So what should be our view for tomorrow? I think we had a very decent rally and we are touching almost close to 17,300. So if we see 17,300 being crossed, then we wait for minor dips and go long. Because that message, as I just told you, will be that buyers are prepared to pay more. That's why they are going all the way to 17,300 and willing to pay more and push it upward. So they have some conviction. So the trade then tomorrow is only on the long side of the market, and if 17,300 is crossed, we will wait for minor dips or consolidation and go long. Keep a tight stop starting with 100 points and then you can trail it. One very interesting question that will come up is, should we carry this position for Monday? And if the market opens strong tomorrow, closes strong tomorrow, then it is worthwhile carrying the position. If the market starts doing what it does every day, goes up, comes down, then close it and get out. But the trade tomorrow is only on the long side, and for reasons I have explained that we are on the verge of breaking 17,300. We'll have a look at the charts which will make this a little more clear. This is the chart for the Nifty. Both these two charts are for Nifty end of day. This is today's price action. Just look at the lower chart. This is the low lag moving average. From here to here it was going up and now it has been going down. But today it has turned up again. That's interesting because it tells us perhaps this consolidation that we are seeing, this rectangle, this trading range, may actually be a consolidation for a reversal, rather for stopping this decline and getting ready to move up. Maybe. I mean, nobody knows, at least I never know the future. This is the probability. Let's look at the upper chart. This is the RSI, modified RSI indicator. The indicator has been falling, as has the market, and now it has gone below the lower line. When the indicator goes below the lower line, it represents any one of the two things. First, it's oversold and willing to bounce back, and second, it can continue to remain oversold. Given the fact that we had a cheerful up day today and this indicator has turned flat, it is possible that this oversold zone may be a sign that the market that is now willing to go higher. Now these are all probabilities. This is my judgment. Obviously the market has not opened. Only tomorrow we will know, or day after, or rather on Monday. But let's look at the evidence now. The low lag moving average has turned up. The modified improved RSI has turned flat and is now below the lower line, which could represent an oversold condition. Price action. I have already explained the price action. This is the trading range. If this is 17,300, and if we break 17,300, we are probably looking for higher levels. A breakout is always a buying opportunity. So all said and done, tomorrow is a buy on dips, buy on consolidation day. It will work out or it won't work out. There is no way of saying that. But that's how I am going to trade. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, and please press the bell icon. Jai Hind.